Hey guys, my name is G. You're watching Keeping This Tech. This is going to be a very quick video because I don't know how much time I have. I know the kids are upstairs for just a little bit and they might just barge in here again like they have done for the 17th time. So if you understand the struggle, please make sure to smash that like button. Anyway, today's video is about the Elgato light strips. Now, I'm a big fan of light strips. I think that they're amazing, and I have had the Hue lights for a while, including the light strips. In fact, I have them powering the lights behind my TV and that light strip that you see there next to the door. Now, the problem with that is if you're looking closely, or maybe even not having to look that close at all, you'll notice that there's some flickering going on back there, and I can't stand that in the shot. So when I found out that Elgato had made light strips, man, I was elated. Man, oh man, this is so good. So let's talk about this real quick because I just want to get through just the negative part about this for me. These light strips are not HomeKit compatible, meaning you can't come home and tell Siri to turn on your lights and to change the colors. Like, that's something that I think, oh man, this is a huge miss for these, and maybe the version 2 of these will be HomeKit compatible because that would make all the difference in the world. That being said, in every other way, these light strips outclass the Hue lights for sure. First of all, these lights are actually brighter than the Hue lights. I mean, right now I have the blue one on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the other one because I actually have one of these installed already. This is gonna replace that blue one that you see here. And yeah, it's fine, but watch this. I'm gonna go ahead and brighten it up and you'll see that it just gets brighter. By the way, that blue is at its brightest. But I can go ahead and make it red, you know what I mean? I can make it purple. This is purple, but I can go ahead and make it red, and there you go. You can see how it just really outglows that blue one. The other thing, it's an RGB WW light strip, which, I'm being honest with you, I don't even know what that means, but Editing Greg here. I know what RGB WW is. Had to look it up, but check this out. It is a warm white chip as well as a white chip. This is going to add to that RGB and give you a richer color, brighter color, and you'll get more color accurate temperatures from warm to cool. So yeah, there's that. Back to means, but I think it means that the colors are more saturated and there's more color options for that. So I'm really cool with that. And plus there's a warm temperature. It goes from like, what was it? It says that oh, there you go. It goes from 3,500 Kelvin to 6,500 Kelvin. Isn't that crazy? So yeah, I mean, you can really color balance your lights the way you want it with these light strips. So again, big shout out to Elgato for this. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. While I'm unboxing it, I can tell you about the Elgato app that comes with this. You can get it for Android as well as iOS. And there's a computer app as well. But the computer app isn't anything special. Again, you are able to control it, but the way they want you to control this, and I guess what makes up for the fact that it doesn't have Siri support, is the fact that you can use the Stream Deck. The Stream Deck basically becomes your full controller for this. So over here, I have it set up on my Stream Deck where I can turn it off, I can turn it on, I can set the brightness, I can actually set up different colors. Packaging is pretty simple. Inside, you get a quick startup guide, which is nice. So these, I think, are 2 meters. These are pretty long, and if you need to cut them to size, you can. Just make sure to use that mark. They ship with all sorts of adapters depending on where you are in the world, so that's nice. I mean, I kind of feel like that's wasteful just because I'm only going to use one of these, right? But yeah, this is that. So you stick that in here, and then you twist it. Little power adapter here. This is where the power comes from, I think I'm saying that wrong, but you know what I mean. Your little power brick. This is it. And then some more paperwork. So in this nice little paper wrap, here is your light strip. And I like this. It comes with a little white little Velcro. Dude, this adhesive on here is super sticky, yo. Super sticky, but it's really nice. So this is it. And so I'm going to go ahead and install this right now, and we can do that. I kind of like the idea of the double light strip. Originally, I was like, hey, you know what I mean? It's my contribution. It's my contribution to the YouTube community because everybody's out here with the, you know, the tube lights. I like the little, you know, little racing strips on there that illuminate. That's pretty dope. But then I noticed that I think subconsciously I took the whole idea from the packaging. double light strips right here, and they happen to be the same color, huh? How does that work? Well, I guess if you see anybody else with double light strips on their wall, you can thank me and Elgato, huh? How about that? Just messing. Guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think about these light strips in the comments below. I'll check you guys out in the next one. Peace.